Today, I'm exploring Tsukiji Outer Market in Tokyo and using it as a taxonomic lesson on marine bilateria, animals that have bilateral symmetry at least for part of their lives. So first thing first, most of bilateria is broken into two groups: the protosomes, which develop their mouths first embryonically as they go from a sheet of cells into a tube as they form their very early digestive tract, and the Deuterostomes, which develop their anus first. I know my digestive tract is currently pretty empty, so let's start this tour. Major protosomes of this market are arthropods, specifically decapods like lobster, crab, and shrimp, and the mollusks, which are represented by cephalopods like squids, bivalves like scallops, oysters, and clams like the geoduck, which aside I don't want to eat because they are such long-lived animals living well over 100 years typically, which feels weird to me. Then there are the marine gastropods represented in the market by marine snails, including the ancient Vetigastropoda, which includes these turban snails and abalone, or the highly derived Caenogastropoda in these welks. Now we can move over to the Deuterostomes, which are represented by Echinoderms like sea urchins, and the chordates, which includes lobe-fined fish, which is sadly represented by whale. But wait, whales are not fish. Well, you can evolve out of a clade, and whales are highly specialized secondarily aquatic tetrapods, which are a clade of Sarcopterygidae, the lobed-finned fish, which includes animals like the coelacanth. Fish don't really exist. It's a common name for a bunch of disparate creatures unified by a couple shared characteristics that we as a society typically agree on, and whales are no longer typically viewed under that common definition of fish. But yes, unfortunately, Japan has been one of the nations most resistant to the international ban on whaling, and used a research loophole until they just left the International Whaling Commission to just do straight-up commercial whaling. With that conservation soapbox over, I wanted to continue this taxonomic tour and finally get to the wide variety of telosed fish. The fish that seem to be typically available in this market are groups like Eutelosti, like salmon and ayu sweetfish, but most species available at the market are in Percomorpha, a clade containing some 17,000 species of fish. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this tour of a small part of overall animal taxonomy.